Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 40, or taking common 2 to the power x we will get 1 plus 1 is equal to 40, or 2 to the power x times 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 40. Or now divided both sides by 2, we can write here 2 to the power x times 2 over 2 is equal to 40 over 2. This 2 cancel this 2, so here we will get 2 to the power x is equal to 40 over 2 is 20. Or now taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 2 to the power x is equal to log of 20. Or we know this x move here, so we can write here x times log of 2 is equal to log of 20. We need the value of x, so divided both sides by log of 2, we can write here x times log of 2 over log of 2 is equal to log of 20 over log of 2. Or this move this, so here we will get x is equal to log of 20 over log of 2. Or x is equal to log of 20 can be written as log of 2 times 10 over log of 2. Or x is equal to, now we can write here log of 2 plus log of 10 over log of 2. Or x is equal to, now we can write here log of 2 over log of 2 plus log of 10 over log of 2. Now this cancel out this, or x is equal to 1 plus log of 10 can be written as log of 2 times 5 over log of 2. Or x is equal to 1 plus, now here we can write log of 2 plus log of 5 over log of 2. Or x is equal to 1 plus log of 2 over log of 2 plus log of 5 over log of 2. Or x is equal to 1 plus this cancel this, so here we will get 1 plus, now here we can write log of 5 base 2. So finally we will get the value of x is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log of 5 base 2. Now check. Our questions is 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 50, 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 40. Or here x is equal to 2 plus log of 5 base 2, so we can write here 2 to the power 2 plus log of 5 base 2 plus 2 to the power 2 plus log of 5 base 2 is it equal to 40. Or now we can write here 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power log of 5 base 2 plus 2 square times 2 to the power log of 5 base 2 is it equal to 40. Or we know that 2 to the power 2 is 4 times, here we will get 2 log 2 is 1, so 1 times 5 is 5, here we will get 5 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4. Similarly here we will get 5 is it equal to 40. Or 4 times 5 is 20, plus 4 times 5 is 20. Is it equal to 40? So 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 is equal to 40. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our final answer is x is equal to 2 plus log 5 base 2. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.